Are you struggling to grasp the basics of RPA testing? This tutorial will help you understand RPA in just 4 days. By the end, you'll know RPA concepts and testing fundamentals. Let's start with day 1. What is RPA? RPA means Robotic Process Automation. It creates software bots for repetitive digital tasks. Think tasks like data entry and file handling. Bots outpace humans in speed and accuracy. Where is RPA commonly used? In banking for loan processing. In insurance for claims processing. In healthcare for patient data entry. In IT for password resets. And in HR for onboarding processes. Popular RPA tools include UiPath, Microsoft Power Automate, and Blue Prism. Businesses love RPA because it saves time, reduces errors, and cuts costs. Let's explore RPA limitations. RPA struggles with human judgment tasks. Bot functionality can break with UI changes. It also requires structured data and constant monitoring. Now, types of bots. Attended bots work alongside humans. Unattended bots operate independently. Hybrid bots combine both functionalities. As a tester, know your bot type for effective testing. In your QA role, you will design and execute tests. Always simulate failures to verify logs and reliability. Real-life example. A bot reads invoices and processes them. You'll ensure it handles various file formats accurately. Now let's move to day 2. What's the difference between an RPA developer and an RPA tester? Developers build the bot and analyze the business process. They focus on the how of automation. On the other hand, testers validate the bots. They test under different scenarios, including edge cases. Your role is to design test cases and verify if bots perform accurately. Quick comparison. Developers create workflows. Testers validate them. Developers use UiPath Studio. Testers use UiPath Test Suite. For example, if a bot fetches a KPI sheet, it's the developer's job to build that function. The tester ensures it's done accurately and reliably. Welcome to day 3. Now we'll explore types of bots and triggers. We begin with attended bots that require user initiation. Next are unattended bots that run independently. Hybrid bots introduce a mix of both options. Finally, cognitive bots powered by AI or ML. What triggers these bots? Bots can be started manually, time-based, or file-based. They can also respond to queue or API triggers. Email-based triggers activate when specific criteria are met. As a tester, validate the starting process. Does the bot respond well to triggers? What if the trigger fails? For example, testing a bot that reads KPIs requires checking reliability. Ensure it starts on time and handles errors correctly. On to day 4. Let's compare the RPA lifecycle with traditional SDLC. Traditional SDLC steps start with requirements and end with maintenance. In contrast, the RPA lifecycle is quicker and process-driven. It includes process identification, assessment, and development. Testing follows development, before deployment and monitoring. From a testing perspective, your test plan should outline key areas. Identify modules, set entry and exit criteria, and establish test data. Include tools, schedules, and risks in your plan. For example, testing a bot that uploads a file requires attention. Check for missing files, format inconsistencies, and SAP login challenges. Explore test mapping during all lifecycle phases. Prepare test cases early to ensure smooth user acceptance testing. That wraps our first 4 days. We covered critical concepts like RPA basics, roles, bots, and the RPA lifecycle. You've learned how to effectively plan RPA testing. If you found this insightful, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you need templates or sample test plans, comment below. Thanks for joining, and see you in day 5.